Welcome back, everyone. As you can probably tell from the title, we are going to do a pack with me / get ready for my trip. It is currently Thursday, March 21st, I believe. Yes, it's around 10 o'clock in the morning. We have a lot to do today. We leave for Palm Beach tomorrow, Friday, and before a trip, as girls, as we all know, I feel like everyone's always running around. So I figured it'd be fun to film me packing, share what I'm bringing, kind of go through the thought process. I really want to be a little bit more intentional with what I pack this time, so I have kind of mapped out for sure, like each night, where we're going. So we're gonna plan our outfits around that. Tonight I actually also have a fun event, so I'm kind of working backwards. There's a new Restoration Hardware that is opening up in Cleveland, and I was invited to the opening, so we're gonna go to that. It doesn't start till 7, so I'm gonna leave around 6:30. And then the only other thing I have today is I'm getting my eyebrows done, and then I need to self-tan. I got a pedicure last night, and then tomorrow morning before we fly out, I'm getting a blowout. So the beautification committee is in full swing. I am so pale right now. Also, my mom is feeling better. She was literally in bed all day yesterday, which if you know my mom, that is unheard of. So she was pretty sick, and then this morning she woke up and felt a lot better. So she has been running around and mostly packaging the orders to ship out before we leave. Laura just swung by the house and she picked up our Poshmark, 2 bags of Poshmark, so she's gonna work on that while we're gone in Florida. So definitely check out my Poshmark closet because there's gonna be a lot of good stuff. So it's pretty much just gonna be a day in my life, but let's get started packing for Palm Beach. Okay, so this is kind of the rack that we're working with for Palm Beach. We have hung things that we know we want to take that were either sent to me or we ordered and are new. And then we have a bunch of shoes down there and just like a few other loose things. But I definitely need to go to the 3rd floor. I definitely want to go upstairs and look through the racks because I know that there are some other things that I want to pull that are like older or that I wore last year that I just think would be perfect for the trip. So I think we're going to do that as well. We just got this set from Amazon. I just tried it on. I can't tell if it's cute. I think if I was tan and like ready to go and had accessories, it could be cute. It's also kind of looking like pajamas. So I'm gonna go ask my mom and see what she thinks. But she ordered this and I do always like to try out different Amazon sets. Okay, I just went upstairs. This box is annoying me. Just went upstairs and pulled a bunch of pieces. So I'm gonna decide. I think I'm gonna try and take a lot of these items because I literally don't wear them at home. And Palm Beach would be the place to do it. The first is this really cute little Lily Pulitzer wrap, which is just such a staple to have like at night if it's chilly. Like, look how lovely. So that's definitely coming with. The second is this Sartor dress that I've only worn once. She sent this to me in the summer, and I think this would just look so pretty for dinner. It's like this blue strapless little number, so I think I'm gonna wear that maybe the second night because we're going to a restaurant that would like match that vibe. A lot of white pants upstairs, so I just pulled, these look really wide, but they're 26, so I feel like they will fit well. Oh, I pulled down this little Amazon set, which would be cute for just like during the day, grabbing a coffee, something casual. Another pair of white linen pants. This is a 4. I need to try these on, but I think that would work. I'm also kind of packing for Elizabeth because she is driving home right now, and Miami University celebrates their St. Patrick's Day the day before spring break. It's called Green Beer Day, and pretty much everyone stays up all night and then like goes out throughout the day. So I don't know when she's leaving. I think she's gonna get home pretty late. She's not coming to the Restoration Hardware thing, so she literally still has to like pack, and I don't even know. But okay, pulled down this dress that I actually bought in Palm Beach. It's from Cara. It still has the tag on it, and I only wore it once, so I definitely want to get my use out of it again because it's a gorgeous dress. And then this is another outfit I bought in Palm Beach. See, you get sucked in and then you never wear it again. It's this amazing set. I need to try it on to see if it still fits me. It's these pants. The problem is I can't like link any of this stuff when I go to post it, but I want to wear it. This is from, we got it on sale. It's from the brand Amur. So it's like this matching top and pants. I feel like I have to take it and wear it because it's so fab. Oh, I pulled down a pair of just white linen shorts to have for cash outfits. And then this is fairly new. This is a Sartor dress she sent me back in January. So I only wore this once in Charleston. I'm definitely going to bring it again. So that's kind of what we're working with right now. I'm going to like lay out the outfits by day. I still have to go up and get like shoes and bags and stuff, but found some good stuff. There's like a few other long dresses that are Elizabeth's that I might pull down just in case she wants them as well. Okay, now I'm overwhelmed because I forgot that we had all of these new pieces from Amazon. So this white little set I definitely want to bring because I think this is just gorgeous. This is Amazon. I already wore it for a sponsored post, and then it goes with this white blouse, but it's just so good. This Ric Rac set, which I posted, I'm definitely bringing that just for like the daytime. This really pretty dress. I also feel like one of the girls could wear this. Like Claire's coming from Dallas. I don't know what she's bringing. This Ric Rac dress, that would be cute just like during the day, I guess. I'm going to bring the Amazon Hydrangea bathing suit and matching skirt. I mean, amazing. A lot of different bathing suit options from Amazon. This one is reversible. I love the pattern on both, and then the inside looks like that, if you can see it. So I definitely want to bring that. I actually have a lot of clothes, you guys. I mean, we knew this, but and then this is another bathing suit option, and then this is what the inside looks like from Amazon. And then we also have this dress, and then I still have this stuff hanging on the rack, but that's only a few things. Oh, I have this new dress from Jennifer Lake that I'm definitely going to shoot in. It's from her new Sail to Sable collection. It's so gorgeous. So I have that. Maybe I'll just make a pile of dresses, and then I have a lot of clothes. We're there for Friday to Thursday, so it's definitely like a bit of time, but I don't think I need all of these things. Okay, so my mom just came upstairs, and we basically have to pack for Elizabeth because she just texted. She's like, yeah, I'm going out at 2, and then she's driving home. So we were like, okay, this girl is simply just not going to be home to pack. Okay, I switched to my phone. So as I was saying, we basically have to pack for her. So these are 2 new pieces from Aqua Bloomingdale's. This is gonna look really cute on her. It's just kind of like a what is this called, a crocheted black and white or navy and white sweater, and then same type of thing with a little collar, just fresh sweaters. Another set from Target she can wear. This cover up is Amazon, which I thought was so cute. And then we're gonna give her this bathing suit from Amazon, another Amazon bathing suit set with a sarong. 2 new pieces she needs to try on. This is a skirt from Abercrombie, and then this is a dress from Abercrombie, and then these are Amazon dresses. And then I pulled a bunch of older things from, well, not older, you know what I mean. This is a Staud dress, which is so gorgeous. I thought it would be great for her to bring and wear again. I think she wore it to a wedding. Veronica Beard seersucker long patio dress. We got it in Palm Beach. She should definitely wear it. And then this classic pink dress set, I think is Ellie Tahari. Oh, and then this Lily Pulitzer set that she got last year. She only wore once when we were there. So this is kind of Elizabeth's lineup. And then she has 2 pairs of shoes. Definitely think we're going to bring this Cult Gaia handbag because this is perfect for the evening. I'm trying to figure out the white pants situation. This is what's going on with me. I have all of my dresses. This is sent to me from Mestiza, brand new. I'm going to wear this for the first night. I think with these little Zara heels, I think that could be cute, a cute look. So I pretty much have all of my dresses set. I'm going to try and fit this all in my black Beis suitcase, and I'm going to just start packing. And then I'm going to go get my eyebrows done at 1:30, drop off orders, and then come back home and tan and help my mom pack a suitcase for the pop-up shop. So I'm going to see how much I can get done as quickly as possible. Okay, I'm vlogging on my phone because my camera just died and I want to keep this vlog moving. So this is the shoe situation. I have these really cool, they're older, from Zara, which is what I was talking about in my last vlog. Like, Zara shoes hold up. So cute. They're like the perfect cream pointy kitten heel. So I'm going to bring these. Next, I have these super high rattan raffia shoes from Sam Edelman. I got these last summer. I love. Maybe going to bring these just because they're not my favorite, but they're really comfortable and light. And then I don't think I'm bringing these because I think I have enough heel options. These were sent to me from Palm Beach sandals. They're brand new, so I definitely want to bring them. Then my Hermes sandals. I also went upstairs and I pulled this little straw purse, which I think is cute. I'm going to do purses at the end, but I figured one of us would be able to use it. Okay, I just went and got my eyebrows done because I was in desperate need, and I just feel like it makes my face look a lot better. Hopefully they look good. She kind of took a lot off. So I look a little crazy because they're all red, but desperately needed an eyebrow wax, so that took like 10 minutes. Now I have all of these boxes behind me, so we're gonna go to UPS and the post office. The post office to drop off orders because the needlepoint kits finally arrived from Portugal. So they showed up last night. Anne was like still sick today, but she was like, I'm packaging these and getting them out because it's been so long. So we once again just apologize for how long that took, and I just so appreciate everyone's patience and support. And we threw something in everyone's orders as a thank you for being so patient. So I'm gonna go to the post office, drop off the orders, and then I'm gonna swing by UPS and drop off returns. I'm gonna grab a coffee. I feel like I need to go to CVS to get some stuff to pack, like makeup removing wipes, so we might do that. I'm gonna try and get this all done by 2 o'clock. It's 1:40, so let's see if we can do it. Okay, we are at Ulta now because I just realized we need more self-tan, especially like Elizabeth and I are gonna use it and then probably bring it because I'm gonna do it again since we're there for so long. So I'm gonna get some self-tan. I'll show you guys the brand that we use, and then I'm gonna see if they have my foundation. They never have my foundation in stock because it's so popular. It's the Fenty Beauty Ease Drops in shade 3. Fingers crossed they have it. And then I'm gonna get some like travel makeup wipes and stuff, but we're here at Ulta. Okay, dropping off everything at the post office. Okay, just dropped everything off at UPS. Now we're gonna go to CVS. I am back on my iPhone. It is the next day. It's Friday. We are about to head out for the airport to head to Palm Beach. I hope you guys liked this little quick pack with me. I also wanted to pop in because last night we actually went to the opening of the new Restoration Hardware here in Cleveland. So I got some clips from that I'm going to insert into this vlog, but I'm in my little travel outfit. I already packed my camera and then I was like, shoot, I forgot to end off this vlog. So yeah, I'm so excited. Our flight's at 2. We're going to leave right around now. It's like a little bit before noon. Try not to overpack. We fit it into like one medium-sized bag. So feeling good, but let me show you guys my outfit for the plane. So I got a blowout this morning. So I have fresh hair, my tan set in, and yeah, my eyebrows, pedicure, got everything done. So this is what I'm wearing. I have this really cute little set on from Amazon. I have this in 2 colors. I'm wearing the taupe because the pink, I just wanted to be a little bit more understated. It has a great puff sleeve and it's super soft. And then I'm wearing my nice jewelry on the plane. So I have my little white Van Cleef, just regular pearl earrings, my bracelets, and then I am wearing my Madewell sneakers, which are so comfortable. So this is the full look and we are going to head out, and the next time I will see you guys will be in sunny Palm Beach. Bye everyone.